Are you wondering about the newer communities in Naples, Florida? Well, today we're going to take a look at SkySail. It is a master plan community here in Naples, Florida, and I am Chris Alley, your local real estate agent in Naples since the year 2000, certified luxury home specialist, and we're going to tour this community and all the amenities that it has to offer for you to make SkySail your new home. SkySail is a large-scale master plan community located in Naples, Florida, developed and built by Neal Communities with a long-term reputation here in Southwest Florida as a premier luxury builder. One of the most defining features of SkySail is its massive recreational lake system. This isn't just decorative water. It's designed for relaxing waterfront views and creating a more open resort-style feel. That lake becomes the visual and social centerpiece of the entire community. SkySail is very much about the amenities, with a neighborhood clubhouse, resort-style swimming pool, exercise facility, tennis and pickleball, as well as a dog walking park. So let's go take a look at some of these. Here we have the lake house that looks over the entire community of SkySail. Look at those big open windows and all of the fun things to do outside. This space is available to all the residents for social gatherings and just to hang out, to be able to come and socialize and enjoy the views from the lakeside, sit and watch the sunset, and visit with all of your neighbors. There are many social gatherings here for you to enjoy each and every day while you live here at SkySail. Here is the resort-style pool. You can see all the room for you and your family and your guests to be able to enjoy lakeside and have great memories here while living in this wonderful community. Check out all these amazing open spaces that you have here as a resident of SkySail. This is the large lake at the entrance where we were at the beginning, and you can see that you have access to many other things in here, including a fishing pier and 3 miles of a walking path to be able to get out, exercise, or enjoy some of that great fresh air. This could be your home and your view to be able to enjoy each and every day living here in SkySail. Also located within SkySail, there is a playground for you to be able to watch your kids and grandkids, make memories, and have fun in the neighborhood just walking distance from your home. Inside this building, located next to the lake house, is state-of-the-art fitness centers that has many different programs that you can exercise by yourself or sign up with the activity director to learn new and exciting ways to stay fit. Here are those pickleball courts that I was telling you about. You can see that there are many opportunities to be able to play pickleball, a covered area for you to have and sit and relax while you're playing. And the pickleball courts overlook the water view. In this open area, enjoy time with your friends playing in the open athletic field, playing cornhole, or just sitting around and chatting and visiting and catching up for the day. As well as all the other amenities that are here in SkySail, you have your own private tennis courts. So bring your friends over here and challenge them to a match, or just volley across the net and enjoy the open breeze of being here in sunny Florida. Neal Communities have built thousands of homes throughout Southwest Florida and is known for solid construction, functional floor plans, efficient build times, and good value for what you receive. And that matters when you're buying new construction. SkySail becomes very desirable once fully built out because the amenities are completed, the landscaping matures, and social environment develops. Getting in early can be strategic, but it has to make sense for your goals. Are you considering new construction in Naples consider SkySail. Contact me, Chris Alley, your local real estate agent in Naples, Florida since the year 2000. That's right, 26 years in the business. People like you call me each and every day asking real estate questions and wanting to know the market. So feel free to reach out to me. I will answer the phone. My contact information is below. Thank you for watching this wonderful video about SkySail, and I can't wait to see you here. Bye for now.